Came to the Area 51 to see my boy E.T. Hey, this literally shaking. Shout out to Swift, let me borrow some 750 cc's now. We can turn up the boost in the M54.
No saddle. Stevie Wonder conceded him having. I told her be patient, she waited. I gave her the dicks, walked out through the beatbox challenge. Like, yeah, get in the bag and then you know me, hit you anyway, baby. So know she gon' do whatever I say. I can piss in the cup, call it lemonade, baby. Set the bitch off, I'm a renegade, baby. I'ma get out of there, I ain't feeling that. Nigga run up on me with a cell phone, now they gon' fuck around down the internet. Kill him on.
Brand new PSR turbo is on there. Biggest turbo on the N54. Hello 6870, one of the first people to get the PSR precision style 6870, probably one of the first with the turbo size on an M54. Definitely get some turbo sounds in this video, some logs dialing in the car, turning it up with these injectors and this turbo. Then we're gonna get a first test start with the turbo and see how it sounds. First revision, you can definitely say is feeling good. 12:48. We just got done doing the ZF8 video today, finished rebuilding the M55, and we're doing this. We installed the turbo today on the M54, getting ready to pack now. And like I'm saying, we're going out to Maggie Valley in North Carolina tomorrow. We're going to go on a little snowboarding trip this weekend. It's Thursday night right now. We're leaving out Friday tomorrow at 6 in the morning. If you're not interested in seeing no snowboarding clips, go ahead and click off the video now, but I appreciate everyone that has watched it this far. Let's get to the mountain.
The way that I'm driving this race, they about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what color I'm feeling today. Thank God it's a two-tone watch. He don't like what I'm doing, he probably have said, but he'll never do somebody. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he'll run through somebody.
Goes down to the Airbnb. Views looking crazy. About to get a drone shot right now, this sunset. Just got back from the slopes though. Straight to the slopes on the way. About to edit the first video of Vlogmas. This will be the second one. About to stay up all night to get this video done.
She done caught me on a bad day. Her so perfect it ruined my headspace. The driver goes straight to the staircase. How could I ever be late to the airplane? These Japanese garments is handmade. Whole body covered in shit that I can't see. I take the pin to the fast lane. I cannot help it feel something like Batman.
The casino last night, you know, we had to go crazy. We put it all on the table. Walked out with a big bag, didn't we, Don?
Run it down. Down, wow.
It's a 10 cent. 2 cents.
They forgot to put the circle up on the other side. Noah's not going back to the casino.
But he can go ahead and crash out. Soon as he find me, let's
The last day is currently Saturday, everyone. We're probably going to try to upload this video later tomorrow. Get the mind right, they're ready to go back to the M54 battlefield and get some more work done when we get back at the shop, and also dial in the car even more with the bigger turbo we installed at the beginning of the video. I know a lot of people are probably wondering, what size is that turbo? What turbo did you go with? The biggest turbo on the M54. I am one of the first people to get PSR's precision style 6870 turbo, and that is what we currently just put on the M54 in the beginning of the video. Saying my shop is making max harnesses, building 8 speeds, building N54s, etc. We are going to be building B58s, S55s, other engine. If you are interested in building it in, make sure to give us a DM and we'll get you right. Made some made from Swift with the prices included, everyone. If you are interested, it will be one of the best harnesses for Max on the market. Still got my $700 stock N54 holding on strong though. Even know if I showed this on the YouTube yet, but when we got back from FL2K, I was starting to drain the coolant and we had a hole in the used engine we bought. Play the clip right here if you haven't already seen it.
Boy, hard like it. I'm telling you.
Did put some JB Weld over the hole in the block, and it wasn't from me driving it that caused the hole. It looks like whoever pulled the engine must have dropped it or dropped something onto the engine, and the tiniest little hole ever was on the engine. Just enough to put some JB Weld over. It's crazy because the clips you saw at FL2K with me running my boys 135i and the random M340 we ran into on the street, those clips all were with the hole in the block. The car was running good. If anything, it was just releasing more crankcase pressure from the bottom of the block, but that is crazy. I thought I'd tell y'all that if you didn't see it already. I didn't introducing
Area 51 exterior.
But they can go ahead and crash out. Soon as he find me, let's see how I pan out. This challenge is tearing up asphalt. Pops on the track, so I'm rapping my ass off. That bitch said he trying some airsoft. He don't do nothing but that tough on camera. I probably could share what I care about. I'm just afraid that you won't understand. Me and some
Bud, first time, man.
Bud's first time, y'all.
Y'all help me do this?
How many wipe out?
He
needs some help. He needs some help. Bud, first time. We gonna get a good wipe out. Oh. Put your foot down in the middle of it and just coast off that bitch, my boy. No, he calling us a scrub, Ash. Bud already strapped in. Shredding on Jesse. They're taking off. What the f? Bud taking off. First time. Went halfway down the slope. Went to the bunny trail. Why we hitting freaking bunny slopes? You shredding. Halfway down the mountain already. First time. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a buff and eat. Okay. Oh, Bud going crazy. Buff and eat.
He don't like what I'm doing, he probably a say it, but he'll never do somebody. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he'll run through somebody.
Alright, we got Bud. He went down the bunny slope one time, we took him to the top. Ain't nothing crazy, it's North Carolina. Game in the head. Lean back to stop, lean back, lean back! Yeah! We're gonna teach this man. Learn how to plant your feet to stop. What? Oh. I know you didn't just take me out. I'm trying to teach you and you trying to take me out, bud.
My back just got super.
Hey, you trying to still take me out. That's payback. Yeah, my boy Ash over there going crazy. Might have to leave Bud, man. Oh! Get off the machine, Bud! Ooh. Still try, man.
It felt weird jumping with this camera in my hand, bro.
You got some snowballs, buddy.
Tired, buddy? You tired?
Yeah, my phone, bro.
Oh, damn.
At least you got it, bro.
Who's in the front? That one?
That one right there.
Let's go!
Wait.
What should I do if I see a snake? Kill that motherfucker.
The way that I'm driving this race, they about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what.
Upgrade, yes sir.
Hopefully next year we'll be able to upgrade cameras. We've been working hard lately. Made a pit stop on the way back from Maggie Valley though. Came to the Area 51 to see my boy E.T.
And my fellow.
To Lulu Falls. Don finna be the second person to walk across the tightrope. They said no drones, no. Little sign did say no drones though. Hopefully when we get back to the car we can get a little overshot of how this looks. We'll have to get it on the Osmo for now.
So perfect, it rule my headspace. The driver goes straight to the staircase. How could I ever be late to the airplane? These Japanese garments is handmade. Whole body covered in shit that I can't see. I take the bitch to the fast lane. I cannot help it to sound like Batman. But if you go ahead and crash out, soon as he find me, let's see how it pan out. This challenge is tearing up asphalt.
Alright, now I can feel this bouncing a little bit now. Hey, yo. Hey, this literally shaking. What the? North Georgia area, come out here. Tallulah Falls, Tallulah Gorge. I don't even know.
I'm rapping my ass off. That bitch said he told some airsoft. He don't do none but that tough on camera. I probably could share what I care about. I'm just afraid that you won't understand it. Me and Soprano attendants is studying in public. But the plus is bright. Paid up to men about every last time I drive.
Yo! Fucking guy kept his spread up.